landscaping company, and every once in a while the cities will get a hold of me and they'll ask me to come cut a property that's overgrown. Well, here's one. Obviously the neighbor cut the front yard because they were tired of it being so high. And they don't pay me nothing for these. You think they would pay a little bit more, but they pay like nothing. So I'm gonna try making videos. It's just an absolute mess. And it's raining outside on top of it. So hopefully we can get this all cleaned up. It's raining pretty good right now. And it's really, really high. Extremely high. And like I said, they don't pay me very much, and this is gonna take a while. Someone else had it all hayed up. We gotta clean up all the hay. It's just a disaster. Great disaster. It was so wet and so high, it was crazy. So what we did is we cut it up pretty much all the way, just so that it wouldn't get extremely hayed up. And then we'll be back in 1 week and we will cut it down some more and clean the rest of this hay up, and it'll look beautiful, beautiful. But as of right now, and all that grass is on the neighbor's property on the other side of the fence. But all in all, for right now, the neighbors will be happy, and it looks better. It's cleaned up. Like I said, it's an abandoned house. Nobody lives here. It's been empty for years now. Actually interested in buying it. Possibly turn it into a rental.